Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Kate from INTOINDY, and today I am doing a Leesa mattress unboxing. Super pumped. I got the opportunity to check out a Leesa mattress at my nearest West Elm store, which is the fashion mall at Keystone. And I have been wondering about these like mattress in a box mattresses forever. But it's a little intimidating to not be able to like try it out first, or, you know, like what do you do if you don't like it, or this, that, and the other. And I am someone who loves a good firm bed. So the idea of memory foam has always just kind of been like, oh, I don't know if I want to do that. Man, I could not be happier with my purchase. So let's get to the unboxing. That's it, guys. All you have to do is cut open the box, throw it on the frame, slice open the plastic, and you have a new mattress. I think the hardest part was probably hauling my mattress out of my bedroom, my old mattress. I have never slept better. I feel like I get much better sleep on this mattress because of their 3 supportive layers. They have a cooling layer, which helps regulate your body temperature, which for someone who runs hot like me is amazing. The second layer is their, the pressure relieving memory foam, which is great for support. And then the third one is the dense core support. That's the majority of the mattress. I actually found out about Leesa not through anything on YouTube or any type of ads or anything like that. I was at West Elm for a influencer brunch, and you know, I've always been curious about these boxes, mattresses in a box. You know, okay, is it really that great? Is it gonna feel cheap? And they have a partnership with West Elm, so you can actually go into the store and try them out before you buy it, which really sets them apart from majority of the other box mattress companies. Because yeah, sure, you can order a box mattress, but how do you know what it feels like? How do you know if you're gonna like it? You know, they have 2 models. I got the Leesa. The other model has springs in it as well, so if you're more of a springed mattress person, you can try that. I love that they've partnered together. West Elm specifically sought them out because of all of their community outreach programs. For every 10 mattresses sold, they donate 1 mattress, and they also plant a tree for every mattress that you buy. I was really impressed on their website with how much community outreach and different organizations are involved with. You know, they send mattresses to homeless shelters and specifically make them, you know, whether it's like an extra long size or this, that, and the other, to help the community. And for me, it means so much more to make a purchase that, you know, you feel good about, that your dollar is doing more than just supporting a company. It's actually making an impact and making a difference. And that's what really stood out to me with Leesa. So I am so thrilled with my mattress. I would love to know if you guys have any questions on Leesa or what it's like to get a box mattress. Please leave them in the comments below. And yes, thank you to everyone at West Elm and Leesa. Could not be happier with my mattress. I'll talk to you guys soon. Night.